I got me more you. But the lies are just way too much.
More fire.
So many why I say you smart to say. Katakyie no kura wone Katakyie wode Leomensa ana waban was wode Katakyie na waya fantini ana de na me de tabona to no so se joma amani ho a joma ma abadia ono Katakyie wontimi nya adwuma wa hada
Baby.
waka joma ma asem akobi wona na eka o
Oboa.
se wona na eka
Oboa. Eno ka Ghana problems.
owie no so obema kwakutia pamome Wano it will be no. Me reason I any so akotena o se any kwakutin na apam me wano captain the year. And ma me ko use smart ni ko. Ko yo me na me ni ko.
Mo fa no mra so.
Afi mo fa no mra. Mo fa do so asement.
Mo fa no mra.
Ko yo.
Ono ni.
You see you way free so. Therefore me bra street. Forget is a short way. Me nye ho. I don't like this short. Munyi me free so na mo fa we ma me. Na me ka san kira no mani. Precise. Oyo, Mishia umre bi na me frɛ wo fa. When me dia? Because me obu osunu nko bi ma before that. And about me ya wiase. Say nipa me wo buo ma na consistently. All ye niam bi e be ma sa buo no. Ebe you. And that's exactly where you are putting me and you.
More fire.
Oyo, o share radio ni TV ase na me ko Afrifa na me ni ba bia na me obu fa chi ase.
More fire. More fire.
Charlie, the noise is too much over there. What share radio ni TV? I say. O ko just smart. Na me we kurase. Na me odi bomfa United Primary. If so to two mu a de obobo na kurase ni ade kura de kan o.
Gala.
Wo ba kumase nko a wa mo we Capital Radio, we Fox FM, we Kesiwa Radio. Wo ye ya Kesiwa ina ye.
Kesiwa. Ni mo Kesiwa.
Leo no dia ya tan ya di fun pa di abrofudi ni me na me champion say tan pa Akufo-Addo no di William wo hu na adwene mu bie no asema yi pa abrofudi e say me hu broni bia odi ageman na mu de colonialism ni slavery mu ntimi sori mfiri hu God's brain you smart where you di
what they say
na fe wo ye no say wo ye wo chiame wo eye Kumasi Akwamu wofi ne yebusa akwadwo smart se na Kumasi Akwamu ne kura wo kan wonim de ya friend Akwamu kwayo smart mubusa no wonim de ya friend Kumasi Akwamu wonim emso won frifie ho woni aya asafo hina yatu no edi asan Bukata no kwadwo smart otu o mfiri asafo mumusa ne say ye tu sa asafo hene no okwada be na kwadwo atimi aye ne ho so ye hene ukrom a afa achiame pomada wodi hene no wai hade me na me ye hene wa Akwamu ne court ase mumusa no apam na afiri wo ye fantini se de me so agya me ye fantini ye nyina fantifo afa fantini de o de o se wo ye wo gura wo se mfiri asafo ho Jai women in siwo mo bi anhwe no wati
mo ma ne mre
ave kwadwo smart say ene Katakyie no kura no woni hine ba bia
more fire
eti asante agonafo no de o magimi kwadwo smart ni hine ba bia waka dire no a ade ba no na me wo buo ma oni ade wo Ti se huna ko gina o timi twa trose ayi na me ma me hu enru 8
Oboa
wo eme wo
Ope.
Kwadwo pe ye gina o we jatro na fe kwadwo smart se ne ma me nka jo ma ma se momfa ayi demonstrations say ko momfa pictures image na manfo ne ana mo ye mesiri jimi
more fire
me tuo yi
ko
akufu demonstrations akasi anyina say yam pene ni ade afa ewie ya mema be yamotamfo
no krase
say nyesa me pe manfo no asem akobi ye ko election 2 months to election na me ne ma ban ko galamse hu anya me nam ko wuram ko just smart o akukudu presidency was said yes me did that was bosu me niam misika mokoto krata bia mo nchi no yekromfo me you ja here 8 years my friend one father
more fire
MPP no bia no so mam kapre
more fire tell them
na kojo smart wo yatia yi de wo ye ne say wo na akoso a cement say kufu adom fa mesi cathedral na wo nya no korefo
more fire
wo ya no korefo a wo na akoso a cement so in any case kwa wo kojo smart yes it me aiding and abetting of crime
more fire
it's a na kufu ado aye bone dia make us say the spirit of our forebears live in me one on social say JJ ne kufuo ne Kwame Nkrumah ti when I say you that thing are confused no
more fire
if say ni ma say dey be ya
call address
ade be no
call
mama sonda na ma no kwa didi
call
ojo mama sonda o ne ube gina TV so a concert na wo anwa osisi I don't do any of that. It's beneath me.
More fire.
And I aspire to grow.
More fire.
Every day ever since I started media, I aspire to grow. I tell you, if you know the kind of deep reasoning that I do every day, the self-introspection I do every day, wanting to chart a different path, you have no idea. And you think I mean, don't do these things. Don't do these things. Don't do these things. In any case, Kamino Mienu all of a sudden, competition. We are not competing. We are two different brands. At some point, because people wanted to merge our brands. But when you and I came at Pies, when they saw that there is a clear difference between intellectually stimulated conversations being had by me and the concert.
More fire.
So let me sleep, okay? And I wake up every day having self-introspection because I want to become a better version of myself. I'm in no competition with anyone. The only person I am in competition with when I look into the mirror is me.
More fire.
That's all. I'm not in competition with you.
More fire.
If there is any day I aspire to be anybody within the media space, it's not you, Kojo. It can never be you. That means I'll be looking too down on myself. You can never be my dream. You can never be my vision. The kind of vision I see for myself, Kojo, you don't fall with it. You are not in purview of it. You are not in anywhere close to that remit. I'm telling you. That is how knowledge every day.
More fire.
I am paying to seek knowledge every day. When we say just my school or comedy. Also sorry, I no pa concert na. So Kojo, Obasa mama warn us mama kajo mama say baby out in far from baby am. Come close. What the bramenim. Other than that, stop this nonsense.
More fire.
I think I've had enough of the nonsense.
Yeah.
Okay, Mabidina, I had so much respect for you. I'm not sure where that respect still stands. Mabidina, I have a lot to talk about in this world.
More fire.
What person may respond to you, Bio, ever since from a na,
Yes.
Ovi, I got me in Karu play between and if you say that when you, of course, there is a saying that you only shout when you feel like your voice is not being heard.
More fire.
But so long as the people give you a hearing, why do you shout? Why do you still do drama? It's Kamueka started radio TV, you know, because you wanted an audience. That is when you do drama. But when a plane gets to a certain point, it's so silly. And because you swap build the brand that you're solid, why must you come on air be doing concert? Now the time will go con was who jare. Why no? Why and they were to meet and shows 2 hours no preach. Na man for no so ania and I know John Kuma die na wakofa ye chance ya beso what the boom kwen irresponsible journalism, which means inciting crofom or come you shoot to omo.
We are no Abacas and or kind of
Unifriso.
You know, I feel this year.